अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दिस इज डॉक्टर जावेद शाहिद और हमारा आज का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज़ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग और उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे कि क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग जो है वो हर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ में इंक्लूडेड है, जैसे एकेडमिक्स के अंदर, प्रोफेशन के अंदर, डिसीजन मेकिंग के अंदर, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग के अंदर। क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग जो थिंकर्स हैं उनको इनेबल करती है कि वो क्वेश्चंस के बारे में अजम्पशंस कर सकें, उनको एग्जामिन कर सकें प्रॉपर एविडेंस के साथ और अच्छी जो जजमेंट है वो कर सकें। इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इन डिजिटल एज इज दैट कि जो एरा है टेक्नोलॉजी का उसके अंदर आपको मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन से नेविगेट करने के लिए जो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ये आपको इवेलुएट करने में हेल्प करेगी और राइट डिसीजंस लेने में हेल्प करेगी। रोल इन लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग इसका ये है कि क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इज क्रूशियल फॉर कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग एंड अडेप्टेशन टू न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, आइडियाज एंड सिचुएशंस थ्रू आउट one's life. Its contribution to the personal and professional success is also very much important, that individuals with strong critical thinking skills are better equipped to succeed in academic, professional, and personal fields of life so that they can analyze problems, innovate solutions, and make sound judgments. They promote democratic values that critical thinking fosters civic engagement, informed citizenship, and the ability to participate effectively in democratic processes by questioning authority, evaluating evidences, and engaging in rational discourse. Critical thinking also helps us make ethical decisions. Critical thinking helps individuals consider the ethical implications of their actions, weigh competing values and interests, and make principled decisions that uphold integrity and social responsibility. The components of critical thinking include analysis, evaluation, interpretation, inference, and explanation. Starting with the analysis, analysis explains that how critical thinkers involve breaking down complex ideas into simpler parts to understand them better. They discuss techniques such as identifying patterns, comparing and contrasting, and recognizing underlying assumptions. In the process of evaluation, it includes assessing the credibility and relevance of information, discuss methods for evaluating arguments, evidence, and sources, including considering biases, reliability, and context. Interpretation involves the importance of interpreting information correctly and accurately. Discuss strategies for understanding different perspectives, discerning implications, and drawing logical conclusions. Inference. Inference includes that it explains how critical thinkers use evidence and reasoning to draw logical inferences and predictions. It discusses the significance of distinguish between the fact and opinion and to recognize the logical fallacies. Explanation includes that how critical thinkers articulate their thought process clearly and coherently, emphasize the importance of providing reasons and evidence to support conclusion and conclusions. यहाँ पे conclusions 2 दफ़ा लिखा हुआ है तो आप सिर्फ 1 दफ़ा ही लिखेंगे. The steps involved in critical thinking are: step 1 is to identify the issue, step 2 is to gather information, step 3 is to understand the context, step 4 is to analyze information, and step 5 is to develop solutions. Step 6 is to evaluate alternatives, and step 7 is to make informed decisions. Application of critical thinking includes in education, that it is very much important for academic success. It enables students to analyze information, think critically about complex issues, and to develop independent thinking skills. It is very much important in the business, in the corporate world, that thinking is valuable for strategic planning, problem solving, risk management, and innovation. In the session of healthcare, healthcare professions rely on critical thinking to diagnose patients, evaluate treatment options, and to make evidence based decisions. Media literacy enables the critical thinkers to discussing reliable sources of information, evaluating media messages critically, and resisting manipulation and propaganda. Legal profession also use critical thinking, that it enables them to interpret legal issues, laws, and precedents, and construct persuasive arguments. Scientific inquiry includes critical thinking is fundamental to the scientific method, guiding researchers in designing experiments, analyzing data, and drawing valid conclusions. Everyday life includes critical thinking, as it is very much important in personal finance, relationship management, and civic engagement, enabling individuals to make informed choices and solve problems effectively. That was all about critical thinking. I hope you guys understand it well.